Hi, my name is Jason. I'm one of the owners of a 3D rendering company called Render 3D Quick. And this video, I'm going to explain what a 3D floor plan is. We do thousands of 3D floor plans a year. Some clients have a little bit of a hard time understanding exactly what they are. So this video will make it super crystal clear exactly what a 3D floor plan is, so you know what you're ordering if you were to order it from us. Basically, a 3D floor plan is exactly what it sounds like. It's a floor plan in 3D. Most of the time, well, all of the time, floor plans are done in 2D. They're just 2D drawings showing the dimensions and the layout of a property. Like the black and white drawing that you probably have. You probably have a PDF drawing package. We turn that into 3D. And that being said, we don't always need you to have a full set of plans to do these 3D floor plans or any 3D renderings. Even if you have sketches, pen and paper, you just mark out the general layout of a property that you want to have with some rough dimensions. We can use that to turn it into a 3D floor plan as well. But basically what we do is we take that 2D drawing, the sketches, and we import it into our 3D software, and then we kind of trace around the layout of the property, the walls, and apply the dimensions of the drawings so that everything's to scale, and then we extrude up the walls up to the ceiling, just below the ceiling, so that you can see the windows, you can see the flooring, the layout, the furniture, whatever colors, materials, textures, furniture, whatever you want to see in the 3D floor plan is there. It's as if you cut the ceiling off and you're looking down on the whole layout of the property. And I'll put some images up on the screen here to show you some 3D floor plans that we've done for other clients. But that's what it basically is. It's cutting the ceiling off, looking down at the layout of the property, and you get to see the whole thing fully furnished in full color. And a lot of people say, well, like, how do you know what colors we want, what furniture we want? How do you know? And the answer is we don't know. We ask you to send us some reference pictures of how you want it to look. So a lot of clients will say, I want my living room to look like this, and they'll send a picture of a living room they like the look of. And if we see black leather couches, we'll put black leather couches into your living room. If we see a certain coffee table style, we'll put that coffee table into your living room. If we see certain carpeting, certain flooring, kitchen cabinets, marble countertop, whatever you want, whatever we see in your reference picture, we'll apply it to your 3D floor plan. So the finishes, everything will match what your floor plan is going to be and your furniture that's going to be in the layout of the property. So that's how we put it together. It's kind of like a puzzle. We take your plans or sketches of the layout, and then we take your reference pictures of what the colors and materials and furniture you want. We put it together like a puzzle, and then we send it to you. And then here's a picture of a 3D floor plan. That's your property. This is what it's going to look like. And that's what a 3D floor plan is. So if you have any more questions, you can call us anytime. It's 1-877-350-3490, or you can email us info@render3dquick.com. I'll also put a link below the video to some 3D floor plans we've done for other clients. So there's going to be tons of examples there that you can see to further help you understand what a 3D floor plan is. And yeah, hopefully that helps you understand 3D floor plans. All right, thanks.